Your kitchen might be holding the secret to glowing skin, and it starts with turmeric. For centuries, turmeric has been used in beauty rituals, and today, science confirms it. Curcumin reduces inflammation, brightens dark spots, and even fights acne-causing bacteria. Today, I'm sharing 5 super easy DIY turmeric face mask recipes you can make at home using everyday ingredients. Why turmeric? Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps fade dark spots, calm acne, reduce redness, give your skin that natural golden glow. Just remember, patch test first to avoid irritation. The recipes: 1 turmeric plus honey glow mask, 1 TSP turmeric, 1 TBSP honey. Optional: 1 TSP lemon mix into a smooth paste. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes. Perfect for brightening dull skin. 2 turmeric plus yogurt acne calming mask, 1 TSP turmeric, 2 TBSP plain yogurt. Optional: 1-2 TSP gram flour for oil control. Helps reduce acne, redness, and inflammation thanks to probiotics plus lactic acid. 3 turmeric plus avocado deep hydration mask, 1 TSP turmeric, 1/4 mashed avocado, 1 TSP coconut or olive oil. A rich, nourishing mask for dry or mature skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. 4 turmeric plus oatmeal. Gentle exfoliating mask, 1 TSP turmeric, 2 TBSP ground oatmeal, 2 TBSP milk, 1/2 TSP honey, great for sensitive skin, exfoliates without irritation. 5 turmeric plus aloe vera cooling mask, 1 TSP turmeric, 2 TBSP aloe gel. Optional: vitamin E or tea tree oil. Perfect for sunburn, post-workout redness, or irritated skin. PRO tips: always start with clean, slightly damp skin. Use a brush to avoid staining fingers. Wear an old shirt. Turmeric can stain fabric. If your skin turns slightly yellow, wipe with milk to remove tint faster. Results timeline. Here's what to expect. Weeks: 1 to 2, smoother, more radiant skin. Weeks: 3 to 4, fewer breakouts, improved texture. Weeks: 6 to 8, dark spots start fading. 12+ weeks, maximum glow. Plus, even tone consistency is key. Use masks 2 to 3 times per week. If you want natural, glowing skin without chemicals, these DIY turmeric masks are the perfect place to start. Try one this week and tell me which recipe worked best for you. Like, subscribe, and stay glowing.